Hello, today we will guide you through how to run an income statement in QuickBooks Online. To get started, open QuickBooks Online and sign into the correct company. You'll land on your dashboard or the Get Things Done page. From here, head to the left-hand navigation and select Reports. This is your hub for all financial statements in QuickBooks, and it includes both standard and specialized reports. If you're used to the traditional income statement, you might know it as the Profit and Loss Report. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on a revenue-centered view using the Income by Customer Summary, which highlights where your sales are coming from during a specific period. At the top of the Reports page, use the search field and type the word Income. This quickly filters your options so you don't have to scroll through long lists. In the results, choose Income by Customer Summary. When this opens, you'll see a concise breakdown of total income grouped by each customer, plus overall totals. This is a powerful way to understand which customers contribute most to your revenue, and it's especially helpful for trend reviews, customer concentration analysis, and period-over-period comparisons. Next, adjust the time frame so the figures match the period you want to analyze. At the top of the report, click the Report Period control. You can pick a preset period, but for precision, use the date fields. Click the From field to set the start date for your analysis, such as the first day of the month, quarter, or fiscal year. Then click the To field to set the end date. As you set these dates, the report will refresh to reflect the exact window you chose, ensuring your totals and subtotals align with the period under review. Take a moment to scan the customer list and totals. Large swings often point to seasonal patterns or billing changes, while small or unexpected totals can signal miscategorized transactions. If you manage revenue on a cash basis, keep in mind that timing of customer payments affects what appears here. On an accrual basis, it reflects when income is recognized. Whichever method you use, be consistent across periods to keep comparisons meaningful. When the dates look right and the totals make sense, you've successfully produced a clear income view for your selected period. If you also need a full income statement with both income and expenses, remember that the Profit and Loss Report is available on the same reports page. For now, your Income by Customer Summary provides a focused, reliable snapshot of revenue performance for the time frame you selected.